How's it going, everybody? Zach here at MarineMax Coco. Today, I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough of this 2025 Boston Whaler 15 Montauk. This is one of my favorite boats that Boston Whaler makes. It is beautiful in the platinum hull color with the chrome graphics. You've got a black rub rail stainless steel insert sitting on a single axle swing tongue trailer with a spare tire. This sweet little boat is powered by a Mercury 60 horsepower motor. Check out the inside. This sweet little Montauk has the live well and fishing package. So check it out right here. You've got your nice size live well with rod holders and cup holders. Rod holders along the side, storage for your bucket there. Moving up a little forward at the helm, you've got your fuel tank underneath your helm seat. This is a reversible helm seat. You can face forward or aft, depending on the situation. Up on your helm, you've got the SIMRAD display, your JL audio, and your toggle switches up top. You've got your nice JL audio speakers right there, facing the captain for all your tunes. You do have the fishing package on this boat. You'll see your tackle over there on the side of the console, as well as your helm cushion and rod holders in front. You do have the cushions as well up here on the bow, and underneath you've got your anchor storage there. And she is pre-plumbed for a trolling motor. Looks really nice with the low profile rails and the bimini top on top. But this boat is available here at MarineMax Coco. If you have any questions, come by and see it or give us a call at 321-636-3142. Thank you guys. See you soon.